Hello students, in our previous class, we had started with our chapter 4 of English grammar articles, where we had learned about articles, types of articles, what are indefinite articles, where to use indefinite articles, where not to use indefinite articles. Today we will be discussing about definite articles. Here we will learn about the definition of definite article, understanding definite article with examples. Now, what do you mean by definite article? A definite article is used when we want to refer to a particular person or object. Now, articles are of two types, indefinite, definite. A and other indefinite articles, the is the definite article. Like the earth, the sun, the moon, the Himalayas, the Mount Everest, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, etc. Now let's have a look at the passage. We usually complete an exercise or a task within 10 minutes. But the exercise we are doing today will take little more time. The time within which we must complete is 15 minutes. Here we can see the words and a refer to exercises and tasks in general. The word the refer to a particular exercise or task that the teacher wants the students to do that particular day. It also referred to a specific period of time given to complete the task. We use the with singular noun. The exercise you did today was difficult. We use the with plural nouns. The exercises in this chapter are very interesting. We use the with noun already mentioned. I am writing a poem now. The poem is about nature. We use the with uncountable nouns when a particular or definite reference is made to them. The vegetables are fresh. We use the with ordinal such as first, second, third, next, further, etc. The first letter of the English alphabet is A. The last letter of the English alphabet is Z. We use the with adjective in the superlative degree. Asif is the best athlete in our school. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Ram is the most intelligent boy in the class. We use the with musical instruments such as the drums, the guitar, the harmonium, etc. We use the with names of seas, oceans, and rivers. The Ganges, the Brahmaputra, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Arabian Sea. We use the with names of some countries. The United States of America, the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirates. We use the with names of mountain ranges, the Alps, the Himalayas. We use the with names of well-known buildings, the Red Fort, the White House, the Victoria Memorial, the Buckingham Palace. We use the with names of newspaper, the Hindu, the Telegraph, the Statesman. We use the with names of train, ships, the Darjeeling Mail, the Brahmaputra Mail, the Titanic, etc. Thank you, children. Stay at home, be happy, stay healthy.